Hey, garden lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting parts of home gardening, growing your own fruit on small trees. Whether you have a tiny backyard or a cozy garden space, you can enjoy the taste of fresh, homegrown fruit. Ready to learn how? Let's get started. Host, voiceover. Fruit trees don't have to be big and overwhelming. With the right care, you can grow a variety of fruits on small, manageable trees that fit perfectly into your garden, no matter the size. Section 1. Choosing the right small fruit trees. Host, on camera. First things first, choosing the right trees is crucial. Here are some great small fruit tree options that thrive in smaller spaces and produce delicious fruit. Insert images/clips of each tree mentioned. Dwarf apple trees. These are perfect for small gardens, giving you those classic apples without taking up too much space. Dwarf citrus trees. Imagine picking fresh lemons, oranges, or limes right from your yard. They love sunny spots. Plum and peach trees. These beauties stay compact and offer a lot of fruit per tree. Fig trees. A must-have for any small garden. Figs are easy to grow and give you that Mediterranean vibe. Host, on camera. When selecting your trees, look for dwarf or semi-dwarf varieties. They're bred specifically to stay smaller while producing plenty of fruit. Section 2. Planting tips for small trees. Cut to host preparing a small tree for planting in the garden. Host, on camera. Now that you've chosen your trees, it's time to plant. Here's how to set your trees up for success. Host, voiceover as they demonstrate. First, pick a sunny spot. Fruit trees need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day to thrive. Next, dig a hole that's about twice the width of the root ball but not deeper than the tree's container. Before placing the tree in the hole, gently loosen the roots so they can spread out and establish themselves. Cut to a close-up of the host planting the tree and patting the soil around it. Host, on camera. After planting, water the tree deeply to help it settle into its new home. And don't forget to add a layer of mulch around the base to retain moisture and keep those roots cool. Section 3. Pruning and maintenance. Cut to a close-up of a small fruit tree being pruned. Host, voiceover. Pruning is essential to keep your small fruit trees healthy and productive. It also helps control the size of the tree. Host, on camera, demonstrating pruning. Start by removing any dead or damaged branches. Then, thin out the tree by cutting back any crowded or crossing branches. This helps sunlight reach all parts of the tree, leading to better fruit production. Cut to host watering and fertilizing a tree. Host, on camera. Consistent care is key. Water your trees regularly, especially during hot spells, and feed them with an organic fertilizer in the growing season to encourage lots of tasty fruit. Section 4. Pests and diseases. Keeping your trees healthy. Cut to close-up shots of leaves with pests or signs of disease. Host, voiceover. Even small fruit trees can face challenges like pests and diseases, but with a little vigilance, you can keep them healthy. Host, on camera, inspecting a tree. Look out for common pests like aphids, scale, or caterpillars. You can treat these with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Also, be mindful of diseases like blight or powdery mildew. Good airflow between branches and regular pruning will help prevent these issues. Section 5. Harvesting and enjoying your homegrown fruit. Cut to the host picking ripe fruit from the tree. Host, on camera, smiling and holding a basket of fruit. The best part of growing your own fruit? The harvest. Small trees often bear fruit quicker than larger ones, and before you know it, you'll be picking fresh, delicious fruit right from your garden. Host, voiceover as shots of different fruits being harvested are shown. Whether it's juicy apples, zesty lemons, or sweet peaches, the satisfaction of growing your own fruit is unmatched. All through. Upbeat music starts playing as the host wraps up. Host, on camera, holding a piece of fruit. So, there you have it. Growing fruit on small trees is not only doable, but it's also incredibly rewarding. With the right care and a bit of patience, you'll be enjoying fresh, homegrown fruit in no time. Cut to a wide shot of the garden. Host, on camera. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments which fruit trees you're planning to grow in your garden. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.